Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily connect your XIAOMI Smart Camera C500 to the Google Home. So first, what you guys need to do is make sure that it's already connected to the XIAOMI Home. Now here, as you guys can see, it's definitely working. And what we want to do next is go over to the Google Home. Now here we want to click on the plus icon right here and go to link app or service. Then we're going to click works with Google, and here we can have the XIAOMI Home. If not, then we can easily search for it. So we can search XIAOMI Home. Now I'll click check for new devices since my account is already linked. But even though my account is already linked, then we will have to log in again. So let's click continue, wait a couple of seconds, it's normal. Click on agree and continue. And now, as you guys can see, we have the information that our XIAOMI Home was linked. And whenever we go here, we will have our camera. So our camera is here, it's working, and is the same camera that we have from the Smart Camera app. So that's how you guys can easily connect it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.